My name's David Moore. I'm the Smart Systems Manager at Watercare here in Auckland, New Zealand. One of the big issues we have is Auckland City surrounded by oceans. A lot of the sewers discharge into the oceans when they get blocked. So it's very important for us to minimise that so people can enjoy a good clean environment. By using sensors and this technology, we can move from being reactive into a proactive space and detect things before it causes spills.
It takes approximately half an hour to install one of these sensors into a manhole. The Kallipr device design makes it quite easy for our teams to install them. The way that it is designed allows for small adjustments once it's been bolted to the inside of the manhole. Having devices on the IoT network that provide real-time alerts before any overflows happen, it's really exciting to be a part of a project like that.
This rollout's very important for Watercare's network. Once we collect some data, we'll be able to see how our network behaves, how we can optimise it and where problems occur. And what it'll really help is just with awareness of what's going on, being able to monitor overflows and again, give a better service to the communities.